Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you the best way to split cells diagonally in Excel. The method presented in this video is really optimal because as a result, both headers will be automatically placed in the cell according to its width. So let's see how we can set up such diagonal cell split. Select the cell, and the first thing we do is enter a space character. It literally means just hit the spacebar on your keyboard like this. OK, and now we need to enter a title that describes the columns of the table. In this table, the columns represent months, so let's just write the word month. OK, and now we need to go to the second line inside the cell. To do this, hold down the Alt key and press Enter. And so we move the cursor to the second line. Here we need to write a header for the table rows. It will be the word city. Good, both headers are written, and now it's time to complete the second line in a special way too. Namely, we have to put a space after the word city and then a period at the end of the line. Nice! We've prepared the contents of the cell, so press Enter and select that cell again. Now we are going to split it diagonally. To do this, let's open the cell formatting window. We can do this either by the key combination Ctrl+1 or by clicking on this symbol in the number section of the Home tab. I always prefer to use shortcuts, so Ctrl+1. In the window that opens, go to the Border tab and first apply the outer outline of the cell by pressing this button. Next, let's add this diagonal line. OK, now switch to the Alignment tab. In the first drop-down list, select Distributed Indent, and in the field below, select Center. Then click on OK. Great! The cell is already split diagonally, and now all we need to do is to make this period invisible. So double-click the cell, select the period like this, and color it white. Enter, and that's it. The cell is successfully split diagonally. And here's why I think the presented approach is the best. Now when we change the width of this column, Excel will automatically move the text labels in the cell so that the word month is always in the top right corner of the cell and the word city is always in the bottom left corner. Excellent! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, then I will be glad to see you among my subscribers, because every week on this channel we learn something new, interesting and most importantly useful. So see you in the next video. Bye!